This video will show you how to set up an attendance item for each class section. Once you are in your class, you want to click the attendance tool and click Add Attendance Items. This will allow you to name your classes with the date and times, and you can create another for the entirety of the semester. Click on the attendance item to start taking attendance. You can mark through each student and select an attendance status separately, or complete bulk actions by marking all display students the same status. You can switch who is displayed from the entire site to different rosters and groups. You can also add comments by clicking the message bubble next to each student. A green message bubble indicates a comment has been added.